Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to wrap text around an image in Mailchimp. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Mailchimp, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Mailchimp website, I'm just going to create a new design. So I'm going to click this button and go make a regular email, and I'm going to design a new email, and right here I'm going to choose a templates that I want to use. So I think this one is good, so I'm going to apply this one, and right here I'm going to be redirected to the editor page. And right here on the editor page, you can add contents, any contents that you like to add, and of course you can add a layouts for it to be easier for you. So on the layouts tab, as you can see, there's a bunch of layouts, image to text and text to text layouts that you can input. So for example, I'm going to drag an image and text layouts right here, and right here on the left side you can choose a web layout of image to text, and I can just drag whatever I want. So as you can see, if I drag this one, the templates will be insert, and I can just edit the text and add some image if I want. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can easily wrap text around an image without that much of a hassle, and you can just use layouts in order to make it easier. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can wrap text around an image on Mailchimp. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.